arm your Bosch keypad or turn your system on, make sure that all doors and windows are shut and there is no motion in the alarmed area. Enter your 6-digit passcode and press ENT. The keypad will briefly display the armed message, and a delayed tone will begin, indicating you have 60 seconds to leave. Your keypad is now armed. To disarm your Bosch keypad, or to turn your system off, you have 30 seconds to enter your 6-digit passcode and press ENT. You must press the ENT key within 8 seconds of entering your passcode, or the entry is invalid. The keypad will then display the disarmed message.